right here at the Moore jig boring machine, a tool making machine, and I got some tool adjusting to do. Here, I'll show you a couple of things on the machine you might find interesting. Now, this is your quill feed handle right here, see? And to engage the power feed, there's a clutch in the center, and then you use this lever here. Okay? If it's in neutral, then you can use the hand wheel to feed. Okay. Now this spider wheel here controls the spindle housing height. There's no power feed to these ways. It's just positioning. And I'll show you something interesting if I can here. I'll extend the quill all the way down. And let's say you run out of quill. So you want to move the spindle housing down, you can leave the quill in position and watch this. Watch the hand wheel. See, I stayed stationary. But if you go the opposite way, it doesn't extend. See, it'll go the rest of the way now. Isn't that interesting? Okay, I'm going to bring this on down here. Right about there, I guess. That's about right. Okay, we'll lock that here. Now, the machine's variable speed, and it's got a Reeves drive up on top there. I'll start the machine here. Okay, to increase speed, you push that button. To decrease, you push this button. I got about 500, I think it should be okay. That should be good. Okay, I'll move you up closer. Let's see how that is. Okay, maybe something like that would be okay. All I gotta do is move this hole over 1/4 of an inch. So I'm going to start doing that. And I've got a 3/4 inch end mill in there, and I'm just going to run that over. So this is the bottom clamp to a steady rest I'm adapting to that Axelson lathe, and the bolt just needs to go over 1/4 of an inch. So I'll go ahead and do that. Do it in 2 steps. I get about 3/1000 down feed. This is a noisy old machine. It's a 1951 model, and they made a few improvements after they made this one in the drive system, but it does a good job, and this is not a bad job for it, doing a plunge cut with an end mill. She's noisy. Okay, feed it in another 1/8 inch, and that'll be all I need to do there. That will go 2, 4, 1. Right about there. Here we go again. I might slow it down a little bit, see if it squeaks less. Just a little bit. There we go. Looking pretty good. Okay, now I gotta move this shoulder over a little bit, so I'll touch off on that. That's good. And I will see if it will. Hold on a second, I gotta get a tool. I had to lock the depth. Okay, back it up. Move it over a 1/4 inch. And now see if it'll mill. Now sometimes this thing really doesn't like it. We'll see. That might be too far. I better check that. Okay, that looks good. Where are we? Uh-oh. Okay, I was a little too far on that. Okay, there's probably 2 cuts on that. Here we go. not doing too bad there. That's a good quality cast iron. Squeal. Okay. Ah, that's great. That's all I needed to do. Just thought you might like to look at it. I'll be back with more machine action.